We're not preaching. See your eye. See your eye. What day ye keveke we? E akpabobo. Akpabobo. All the whole Senegal, Somalia, all of them. No matter if you here or marry, ide, you know day. Wa be wa mo.
Wa se webo, una ya ecography abego mo we. De kenya na we anytime wa we to mo leji forget ebo we ka.
See life.
We machine, egbo ya abege. Even egbo ya na machine we bo na ye mo in Nigeria. E fake.
She be do the IVF, you know work. You see people where go do her, she call the jealousy. May you see how this girl wicked rich. Very jealousy woman. 2 times IVF fail. Surrogaphy, he fail. Egg, where they your belly, where am Iyore? Where egg, where they your stomach? Unyabo or wufwa? Where egg, where they your belly? Wa be wa mo. Ne egg ibeko. Wa de ye keveke gui. Ah, you don't come again. If that's all is war with the same name, but now two fake accounts with the same name as well. You don't see use another one come again. The same name. The same name. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Talk. Please.
I'm when you need a big man 500.
Talk. Where? Guy, mother guy. This say, you want open account. You open 2 account the same name. A way. Comment. If you know, say make I bring you up. Just comment first. Comment before I bring you up. Comment first. Comment anything. Your comment. Comment may I bring you up. Because
you suppose not people when send requests when you go bring up now. Not everybody will send requests now.
I know. I just say I better comment. Comment may I bring you up again. Talk say I not go feel bring you up without you not comment. Comment. You feel say I love Iyore. If Iyore na your mother, anything, don't comment. If you comment, I'll bring you up. Comment me, I bring you up. A TikTok say I not go film bring you up again. He said because you not comment. Comment, make I bring you up.
He said because you are a liar. TikTok just tell big man 500 now for system. Say because you are a liar. You know if you bring you up again.
So comment. If you comment so that I feel bring you up. TikTok say I not go feel bring you up again. TikTok banish you. They say because you not comment. Comment make I bring you up. Comment. Please comment.
A different type of IVF army.
EJ. Okay.
Anybody
no IVF no what's it on a fait? What good day? Igbo ma is a boy. You want blood your eye. A day yeki. Then you basha say no make on. You delay money for all car. You go thief 1 million. I bet me. Money wanna delay to say we no matter buy instruments. Where the money? I'm robber. No, we got basha le or voke fella. Voye Paris. They will not why your egg destroy. Egg, wait till your belly. Wait till me can't destroy. It cannot hoa or bay. It cannot hoa or boy egg. Wa be o yon ba.
In Nigeria. On a we book man in Nigeria. A fake, you know. or money you nya. Why the time wana? Oh man on your money. I don't want to deceive you. Tia pompe koi. Oh gelema kola jao. Oh boveno bo na koi oji.
Ebe we ateu.
Oh why gelele we? Cause here have you just to deceive people. Anybody no care we book ba. On we ya be in Nigeria is a fake.
You see this one the jealousy. Imagine. BBT. Imagine this useless guy.
Ega ni ana we kia no kwa, e kia re ho re rian, e kia gwo hin akwa kwa na ni ah. E ya regret.
Akwa mo hero, akwa mo foe.
E tin azua, nya ya fe tin azua.
Even on Bashamo say. OZ again, not useless guy.
Dick be adworking wa do wa lelian. Wa dweki dan wa imunu abun dan
ewe ogun ba gemo o degi ekeweke gwi ogwe eni okwo no kawe po ya bia in Nigeria na fake that pikin no be you. Imagine woman wey get belle for abroad. Maybe he go Nigeria now for visit. Maybe along the line. She call your born. It means that it not be you. This is Iyore. Oh, your bar.
Nigeria, honor to be a webo is a re. Anybody know why VF you or we VF and be in Nigeria is fake, you know.
Ozuo.
Why me do say ni na pompi ya kona. Wa se webo. Una ya we ko.
VF your boy. Wa be wa mo.
De keri na we anytime wa we ta mo leji eke. Forget ebo we ka. Ebo amuwe ye machine. Egbo ya bege.
Egbo.
Ya me machine we webo na ye mo in Nigeria.
Egbo.
If you have documents, you go born for Nigeria. Oh, we your money. Do man na ime hitamu wena. O second wa ya be any rejection when over here when o mame ya amugo o mame no pere terio. E ya amugo. O se no na si horere. So no ya do egbe VF ni. Ogu aloma no ogu we mu e ge doctor gwalo no e. Devi no sunu na e doctor na gwalo no ma.
You know.
Ona gwalo no ma.
You know.
Na obi me ba no.
Na la. Na she.
Omami omani bawo. Omani mami mi e bawo. Owe doctor we yen yeseti bego mani bawo. You know we no. Area ya we no nya momo. Almost to omani no mo ko we.
Wa degi yeki ashago no mama. Ewe. Hello, Joy. You are welcome. Hello, Joy. Okay, may we hear from Windy. Windy, you are welcome. Windy, you are welcome.
But you can't want John. I just leave me on.
Hello. Na mistake. Na mistake take come up. Hi. Joy, Windy.
Big man, drop this joyous. So drop the joyous. Let Windy talk if she want talk. May drop the joyous.
My hand purposely oppressed a man.
Oh yeah, drop yourself.
As your hand.
Drop yourself.
As your hand, oh yeah. You see go down like that. Go down, go to
Drop
power
yourself.
tap.
Sharply, go to power tap.
Drop yourself, go to power tap for that.
Drop yourself, go to power tap. Go to share the live stream. Quickly.
Go there, go share and go give Iyore.
Go and share. Go and power tap.
Drop
it,
that
Fesky.
boy. Oh yeah, tore. Cut that by yourself.
Epa.
Drop them.
Epa, so they talk your style.
Wabia,
You
ya
know what
wabia.
you want to ask.
every time I want to ask again, and I be this, when somebody they tell person say, person will carry belle, just say go born for Nigeria, not big girl. The same woman, not same one more, or tell the time when no more year. Happy. No person will get picky, the tell person picky matter.
Can you imagine? They're not. You see, this our Nigerian people. They be mumu. They follow people. We be say not get good. We not get good example. They not get good example. Nigerian people na mumu. They not get good example. Everybody will just open one thing. They not follow one. You not live. We live by example. They not get good example. They real people to another faith.
Big and they talk of the years. Not be person way no as speaking matter be not be they talk about.
Thank you. Not be thank you. This Nigerian people they too mumu. Any person just come out or you dey follow one. Person will not get pikin. They tell you I want to get pikin.
Wait. Person will never breastfeed. Wait, no person. Person will never breastfeed pikin. Was if they tell person will carry belle go.
Imagine.
We don't even know the road. You know, no road to Leboru. Because over there, call your best bad picking.
At all. She don't know road to Leborumo. She they talk IVF this, IV this. A person get person there abroad. He go Nigeria. So they talk for mouth. You know you get egg for belle. You not get. Big bola
for this matter. I just for big man, no verse. This matter just make me the last. I just laugh for what.
Fool, away. Even the time when me without the play, me without the quarter for his house, for indoor, me without the quarter where. If I advise her, Equi. Sometime 2 weeks we don't talk. 1 week we don't talk. Why? Because I tell our truth. For normal call, if we talk for WhatsApp, maybe I advise some. She not agree, but she go want make she dey advise people. She want tell me one day. He said nobody go fit advise some. He said now wetin dey in mind. Now she want to do something. Okay, this girl, who's war? Okay, nobody go advise you, but you go want advise person. You go want advise person. You will come to a shawo, you not make her. Your maid buy house. Your maid do a shawo, they see husband. They buy house. Alpha, where you own? Ovibo use a build mansion for Imo State. Ovibo use your money build house for Imo State. Iyore Alpha, when I go, Soro guys see, Ife. IVF 2 times, Ife. Yeah, well, after Ovibo don't carry the whole money, it blind your eye. You know your mom says, so, ma debut like this. Oh, I not believe. Iyore, I not say your puppies go say, I do not believe. Your puppies go say, they not believe. What day ye keveke me? I got a tiffer for my wife phone, small. All the videos, all the pictures where you send, give my wife. I got a tiffer for that. This one, I tiffer for my wife phone. I tiffer. I go see look for one. If a tiffer be baba, if a go your la jama, if do post. All the voice record. Yeah, am I so done? We never read that side. Ozuo, Dondi. Iboma the bitter. Iboma the bitter every time. My wife, they settle this girl. Go they cry like a mama. But alright, la live video, oh boy, this, blah blah, blah blah, blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. But it's a house. Go they cry like a mama. So time, share my wife go they call 30 minutes, 1 hour. When my wife will take the pattern. This useless girl. See your face now. Ibo, obiagbe me o. Obiagbe me o. A queen iki o. See your face. Ozu or there. No bashago no ma make everybo. Ekwe mu we. U bashago na ki ogyoba. Uri bashago fone. Your mate, they do ashago. Yana ya bo wild. Otoni Akere. Then they go house every year. Afa, where you? Where you basha when I your ba. Oh, no basha no your ba. Hello.
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening. Boss lady, you are welcome. Good evening. How you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. So you want to contribute for what's it take ground?
Sorry, I don't want to contribute. It's just I was listening to what you guys are saying. So my son wanted to use the phone. I think he sent a request. I'm sorry.
Okay, but now for your son want to use the phone, maybe by mistake.
Yeah.
Your hand touch him or your son hand touch him, you can't climb up. Now, quick. A good woman where is spent woman where is for good 16 years take work for man. A good man beaten like this.
A man shouldn't touch a woman. That's for the first place. Why should a man touch a woman? No.
Okay.
Good evening.
Okay. Man not supposed to touch woman like this, right?
No. That is so.
Okay, which advice now you get for this woman now? We'll put a picture here now. Where she used her under work for good 15 years for man. At the end of the day, the man blind her like this. Which advice you get for this woman?
I will give myself an example. If a man touch me, I will leave the man. It's not something do or die. I will leave the man. That is just the answer.
Okay. If man do okay, this is how you get for us. Say if man as man do like this, make she leave the man, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if before she leave the man for good 16 years, and the beating not be 1 day, why she not leave? It's at that 15 years.
Her best reason not to her.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
not where she want go, or now because of the.
That's why I say her best reason. Yeah, that is why I say is only she that knows why. Everybody knows why they are still in a marriage or relationship. Yeah, everybody knows about. Everybody knows why they are still in a brutal.
Big man, he has basan 2 minutes. 2 minutes. He has basan.
Okay, no wala. Okay.
Understand?
Yeah, go ahead.
Everybody knows why. It's just like a man tolerating a woman that is very rude, that don't bring that makes him angry. That's the man is tolerating for a reason. Okay. So do a woman to tolerate for a reason. Maybe she knows why she's there. She knows what she's gaining or why she's there. tolerating the beating and all. So that is it. So I cannot judge for her that, oh, leave. It's like you are telling your own sister that, oh, your husband is beating you, leave the marriage. She don't want to leave. She knows why she don't want to leave.
Okay. She want to die there or she want to survive there or upon like at this mark now as the mark now she want to die there or she want to live there.
Okay, I can give my own sister as an example. For example, my sister was the husband was once.
No, not your sister. No, not your sister. Like this. No,
I want to give my own sister
this
for example.
For this girl now, as the man the beat her, mark her face like this now. She want to survive there or she want to die there now, right now.
You know when you advise somebody once, twice, and the person did not take, you leave the person. You understand?
Okay.
That is it. So if based on you advise somebody once, twice, the person did not take, you just leave the person and let the person do what he wants. You understand?
Okay.
So whatever the person
Guys,
gets, don't feel pity for the person.
So okay, we have to leave the girl right now. May she do what she want. If she want that, then she die, right?
Exactly.
500, I'm back,
Exactly.
Good evening, Kate. You're welcome.
This brother. This rock man.
Now don't get poor. But when I come see what Igbo man use Iyore talk to.
Bro, so Igbo man, that Igbo man, he use Iyore.
Not be small.
I pity
Not be
Iyore.
small. Or he luene.
Oh, Igbo,
He
he
shook it down.
Iyore. He chopper. He use Iyore to build house. He just see as if money they come again. Now they push Iyore out.
And I swear for her. Where Iyore said this bishop give my wife. That day na war. The day where Iyore said this bishop give my wife. That day na war. My wife spent more than 30 minutes with Iyore for call. They pet him.
After all the money when you say Iyore they give her, he will go see get mad.
But the money where Iyore spend for Igbo man. He beat her like this. See Mark.
Iyore where the princess, where the queen of salt of earth, salt and water. Iyore, isn't the hello?
See Mark. Imagine.
Hey.
Igbo man. He said, "You feel. See, our Igbo man is useless."
After all the money, when Iyore sit for salt and water, that man, that man not try, that Igbo man. If they believe your friend, we are done now. I go person, I do this one, no. If we back Iyore go, I call Lawa.
Oh bien, oh bon, oh wow.
Because of that, Igbo want to disgrace Iyore. Igbo dey secret Iyore.
Igbo man go come back on to talk.
That's the reason that Iyore Maladia no way pay. Iyore no.
At all, na indirect. Na indirect dey talk to am.
Na indirect dey talk.
Yeah, dey talk to am. You know, when your message the man direct.
Yes.
Direct, na dey talk.
How about when one of him member? Na lie.
One of the member say.
One of my neighbor say that so this one they beat and I saw it. Now Iyore is very bad, eh? Now God now they give the thing, but the way it takes space for that of Igbo, it was just too much.
Okay, now upon all now, Iyore do IVF 2 times. He fail. He do surrogacy once. He fail.
That was fail.
That was he fail. Now, after Iyore fail, the 4th one, Iyore egg, where he dey belle, he die. Egg where Iyore stomach die. Now, Listen to what Iyore called the talk.
Okay.
After Iyore egg don't die, Iyore IVF don't fail, surrogacy fail. Listen to what Iyore called the talk. After everything fail.
Edoka onaka time amia ni iya no momo no ma. Una agwalo mo. Wa da me o. Wa no da me yo me na wa da me yo wa ri verse na. E ka go bi wa we bra be ya we. A different type of IVF army.
Hey.
Patakot, near Pompeni, near Pompe Wereko. Anybody no better go beer in Nigeria. On a can we broke banana beer in Nigeria, a fake, you know. Why the time one? Oh, I know your money. I don't know what this civil war. Dear Pompe Koi.
Wherever you're, why you be one go do? Where you listen our faith. Iyore no be say, wetin make you be one go do to your life?
Experience in Nigeria no ya go.
Huh?
Even experience in Nigeria experience no ya go.
That she dey talk, yes now.
Yes.
Now you everything wey she dey talk about. Man o, about woman o, about man o, ekianopolo o, ekianekere o. Now wetin you see for life.
I know.
Now say, you take the preach. You go one talk, you go say, one person say, one person say. All of us know say now self.
Now wow.
Just to deceive people. Anybody no care we book back. On our way here in Nigeria is a fake. Anybody no here in Nigeria on the beer the webo is a real. Anybody know why VF you or we VF and I appear in Nigeria is fake, you know, or we are your money. Why me on those said, Yana Pompea Kona, why I said,
Avec moi, on vient de nom avec VF. Iyore ma bien, Iyore not the pity for any children at all. Iyore no over. Iyore. If Iyore see wetin go buy children, he go do am. Iyore. Ohun amre ni mama ka so ke ba fan. O te do not talk about Iyore. Eni ka o ga fi we na Iyore. No be mo se ugo heli. Ano mo ye kenye. Iyore no be mo se ogun ga gbe ba son. Ogun ga gbe ba fan. Eni ka o. Ya ni yesike. Mo to ka we ti oba. Ide no poku. Iya ga fi we ni. Iyore no be mo se ni ka o ga gbe ba son. Ni ka ga gbe ba fan. Lenu ya mo yaria. Lenu ya mo kuria. Lenu ya chebono ko te do. Iyore no be mo se. Iyore ya nwina. Iyore no be mo se. Ya nwina. Yeah, a salary where ya help ya, no ya help who. Abmo ke ma we Iyore no be mo se. O uwe unwina